Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm back with another video for the monthly niche research, and we have one left. So we already did our t-shirt design, our journal cover. So now today we're going to cover a journal interior. So I hope you guys have been enjoying these monthly niche idea series. I have caught up, so now I'm in March, and then next you'll see April actually in the month of April. It was just an idea that I had, and I wanted to explore it to see how I can add some fun to my channel. So I'm excited about this. But let's go over to the Wheel of Names. And again, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. So of course we have Mother's Day, which is left, and we're going to do an interior. And as I was sitting here, I was thinking, how can I create some type of grief Mother's Day journal? So I was going to do some research just a little bit, but I think it'll hit home. I think it could be something that does well. So I am going to, and you know, Mother's Day isn't until May, so you got a head start. So I'm just going to put up here, my mother was everything to me. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. And I'm going to like put this down at the bottom of the page. And then, oh, maybe I did that backwards. Templates. I need some lines. Worksheet. So let me add a page because I do need some lines. Let's find a worksheet with some lines that I could possibly use. So let's copy this. Did I copy it? Just gonna move that up into this page. I like how I just took it like boom. I think I'm gonna make it longer and then put like a white box right there for that. Let's make this bigger. Like that. All right, so with that, I'm gonna go over and get a box, just a square, so I can, or maybe I'll do a circle. Also, I learned this neat trick. So if you're already on the page, you hit C and it brings up a circle. That's a tip that I learned from Thea. She is a Canva, I don't know, what do you call it? A Canva brand ambassador. So we're gonna move that one to the back once. I'm gonna move this position. Okay, so I just wanted to be able to have this little circle covering this part of it right there. So it's like a slice off, and I have that quote. I'm going to take the same wording and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to put maybe a prompt. So it'll say something like, and then all the sheets can be like this with different prompts. One funny memory with my mom I'm just put one funny memory with my mom, because I don't know when people have experienced grief, and it would be insensitive for me to choose one like date, like birthday. I mean, birthday is cool, but I don't want it to feel like I'm being insensitive about like the passing of someone's mother. So I'll just keep it open-ended and, you know, just have the one funny memory with my mom. So that's the prompt. And we have this cute little interior for a grief Mother's Day journal. So what I want to do is look up here and let's look up Mother's Day grief journal. Okay, so I see 2,000 search results. Now I'm going to change this to books and then see if that goes down. And it's about the same. So Looks like a lot of people have decided to try something like this. So, but all of them are not mothers. I do see like wives and stuff like this, babies, and other things like that. But you can definitely get in here and do a Mother's Day grief journal. So let's see. I'm probably not going to find anything on Etsy, so that was probably your best bet for Amazon. So a super simple interior, a prompt, and a quote. This quote could be on every page, and then you just change the actual prompt on the next page, and it could be like, the last time I cried was, you know, just super simple prompts. And I think it could help someone through the grieving process, or just have a really good book of memories that they can look back on whenever they're feeling down or sad. So again, like I said, I hope you guys are enjoying these monthly niche ideas, and I hope it brings some inspiration to you to just help you out in your business. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.